In today's class, we are going to cover the two different topics in JSP application, from form handling using get and post methods and database integration with the insert and retrieve the operation using JDBC. First, we will learn how to send and receive from data between JSP files using get and post methods. Then we will learn how to connect the JSP application with MySQL data using JDBC and perform. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. First of all, open the Eclipse. Then we will create the project. ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ మీకు ఏది ఇష్టం ఉంటే అదంటే ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్ నేను చెప్తుంది ఫామ్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్ కదా, సో ఫామ్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్ ఇస్తున్నా.
Okay, ma'am.
Project name and click on next and select the SRC and next.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible to me, ma'am.
Okay, one. Sorry. I will share my screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you able to view my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will go to the Eclipse and view the project name. Can I tell again? How to create the project? Can I said again how to create the project? మళ్ళీ చెప్పాలా?
చెప్పండి ma'am.
Go to the file and click on new. Then click on dynamic web project and view the project name here. And click on next and select the SRC. Then next and generate the web XML. And finish. ఇలా మనం ప్రాజెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటాం అన్నమాట. అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది మ్యామ్.
Then I will create the file, JSP file now. Right click on web app and new. In new we have JSP file. View the file name here. I am giving index.jsp and finish. This is HTML code. Now you can view the anchor tag and view the register or login. I am viewing the login. In anchor tag, we will view the href and view the file name. login.jsp. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే ఒక ఫైల్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం అనమాట. ఆ ఫైల్ ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేస్తామంటే వెబ్ యాప్లో క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. మన మనం ఏది యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే జేఎస్పి ఫైల్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి వెబ్ ఐఎన్ఎఫ్లో వెబ్ ఎక్స్ఎంఎల్లో మనకి వెల్కమ్ ఫైల్స్ ఉంటాయన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ ఈ వెల్కమ్ ఫైల్స్లో index.jsp అని మనకు ఒక ఫైల్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ ఫైల్ ఉంటేనే మనకి అప్లికేషన్ అనేది ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. అర్థమైందా? Now I am creating the login.jsp file. And finish. Here I am given the form. I'm giving the label called name, email or username. Then I am giving the input. In input, we can give the type of the input. Text. Name. And we can give the required. Here we are creating a sample login form using HTML inside the JSP file. In form tag, we have action, then I am giving the method. I will giving the post method. Here action will be used because of after clicking the submit button from the form data, going to the login details.jsp file. Here method we are using the post because data will be sent using the post method. The post method is more secure because data is not visible in URL. Got it? Then I'm doing the label for password. In input field, we are giving the type password and then name is password and request. Here type equals to text means creating the text box and name is equal to username. It is used to retrieve the data in backend page. And required means field should not be empty. Like that only we are giving the same as password. Here we are giving the password type because enter text will be hidden. Then we will give the submit button. Type is equal to submit. When user click the submit button, from data goes to the backend page. Okay. Now we will create the backend page. Here we can save the files first. We can do the form handling. Here we can view the string, username, and request dot meter, and here we can view the form name. Here we can view the form name. First of all, we can view the sliplet tags. Then after we will view this. Then string password is equal to request dot get parameter, and you can view the password in front end name. So view the password and view the colon. Using request.getParameter, we are receiving form data from the front end page. Now, if username dot equals, and we will give the admin, and add password dot equals, we can give the admin 123. Okay, this is the username and this is the password. Here we are checking the login validation. If username is admin and password is admin123, then it will goes to login successfully. So here we can output dot println, and we will view the message. Then else, if username and password is wrong, system displays the invalid message. Now we will run once. Click on project, right click and select the run as and run on server, and select the server and finish. Here we can see the login. Click on login and give the admin and admin123 and submit. Login successfully. Here we will get the login successfully. If in case we will click on login and give the admin and password will give the admin, wrong password and submit. Here we can show the enter valid inputs. Okay. Now again I am explaining the get method. Here we can see the difference between get and post. When you put here get, create the one file again. .jsp and finish. Here we can use the form tag. Then we will give the inputs, input tags like type is text, and then name equals to username and request and required. Here we can give the labels also like username and then give the another input tag type is equal to password, name is equal to password, required. And here also you can give the label like password, and here we can write like form handling using get method. So now we will give the form action Install JSP and we'll give the method like post or not method like get. Okay, here we will create the another file, backend file, and finish. Here we can give the submit button also, give the another input tag and type equals to submit. Okay, here we can give the first triplet tags, then after give the string and username equals to request dot get parameter and give the form name. In form we have name called username, like that only we can give the password. After we will check password and username is correct or not. If username dot equals, we can give the admin and password admin 12. We can give the here we can give the message like output dot println and give the message here. Then give the else. Here also we can print it output dot println and give the message here. Invalid inputs input data. Now we can check this. and click on login one and give the admin and admin password. And submit. Login successfully. And here we can see the username and password details here in URL. Get method is used to send the data from one page to another page through URL. So in get method we do not have secure purpose compared to post. Okay. Today we are learn like form handling. In form handling we can learn the post and get methods. That's it for today. I will continue the tomorrow class. Thank you.